To give and edit scores in the assessment, start by accessing the Gradebook page. On this page, you will see all the assessment components available in the Gradebook for the selected course. The scores displayed in the Gradebook are derived from assessments that were previously created under each evaluation component. Use the Hide Details or Show Details buttons to adjust the display. Hide Details displays a summary of main evaluation categories. Show Details displays the scores for each subcomponent along with the detailed weight distribution. When you choose Show Details, you will also see a pencil icon next to weights that can be adjusted. When you adjust the weights, make sure the total weight remains 100%. Click this icon to modify the weights as needed. By clicking this icon, you can also view detailed information for each evaluation component. To begin scoring, find out students who need scoring. Those will be shown by Need Scoring label. Then hover over the label and click Give Score. Download student submissions if available. Click Download Work to access the submitted files. Provide feedback. You can add feedback in the form of free text, attached documents, and audio recordings. For group assignments, decide whether to give the same score to all group members or score them individually with reasons. If the score is the same for everyone, enter it once. To score members differently, activate the Score Individually option. Enter the score in the field provided. Click Save. After saving, you'll see which groups or students have scores, while those still needing a score will remain marked Need Scoring. If you need to make changes to a score, hover your cursor over the score you intend to update, then click Change Score. The previous score will be displayed as a reference. Choose whether the change applies to one group member or all group members. Enter the new score, then click Save. After that, the system will prompt you to provide a reason for the score change. Complete this section and confirm to apply the updated score. Now we can see the score has changed. All of this is seamlessly integrated within the Binusmaya.